Hey there, fellow drivers. Are you tired of sluggish engine performance and poor fuel efficiency? Well, today, I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'll be diving into the top 5 best fuel system cleaners on the market. From Redline to Lucas, we'll explore each product's key features, benefits, usability, and durability to help you make the best choice for your vehicle. Let's rev up those engines and get started. Off our list at number 1, Redline 60103. First up, we have Redline 60103. This powerhouse cleaner is designed to tackle even the toughest deposits in your fuel system, ensuring optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Key features: Redline 60103 boasts a potent formula that effectively removes carbon deposits, gum, and varnish buildup. Its advanced detergents work to restore lost power and improve throttle response, making it a favorite among performance enthusiasts. Benefits and usage: using Redline 60103 is a breeze. Simply add it to your fuel tank during a fill-up and let it work its magic. This cleaner not only enhances fuel economy, but also helps reduce emissions, ensuring a cleaner burn and prolonging the life of your engine. Usability: whether you drive a daily commuter or a high-performance sports car, Redline 60103 is compatible with all gasoline engines, including those equipped with oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. Durability: with regular use, Redline 60103 keeps your fuel system clean and your engine running smoothly for miles to come, making it a reliable choice for drivers seeking peak performance. In the second spot, we have Seafoam SF16. Next on our list is Seafoam SF16, a versatile cleaner trusted by mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike for its ability to clean fuel injectors, carburetors, and intake valves. Key features: Seafoam SF16's unique blend of petroleum-based ingredients dissolves stubborn deposits, while its lubricating properties help protect engine components from wear and tear. Benefits and usage: adding Seafoam SF16 to your fuel tank or crankcase is a simple yet effective way to improve engine performance and fuel economy. Its multipurpose formula makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, including small engines and marine vehicles. Usability: whether you're dealing with rough idling, stalling, or poor acceleration, Seafoam SF16 is a reliable solution that can help restore lost power and efficiency to your engine. Durability: with regular maintenance, Seafoam SF16 helps prevent carbon buildup and prolongs the life of your engine, ensuring smooth performance mile after mile. Coming in at number 3 is the Techron Concentrate Plus. Moving along, we have Techron Concentrate Plus, a fuel system cleaner trusted by leading automakers to keep engines clean and running efficiently. Key features: Techron Concentrate Plus features a patented formula that removes harmful deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, restoring lost power and fuel efficiency. Benefits and usage: using Techron Concentrate Plus is as easy as filling up your tank. Its powerful detergents break down carbon deposits and prevent new ones from forming, helping to maintain optimal engine performance over time. Usability: whether you drive a gasoline-powered car, truck, or SUV, Techron Concentrate Plus is compatible with all types of fuel systems, including direct injection and hybrid engines. Durability: by regularly treating your fuel system with Techron Concentrate Plus, you can enjoy smoother engine operation, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient driving experience. Taking our fourth spot is Gumout High Mileage 5100013. Next up, we have Gumout High Mileage 5100013, specially formulated for vehicles with over 75,000 miles on the odometer. Key features: Gumout High Mileage 510,013's advanced formula not only cleans fuel injectors and intake valves, but also conditions seals and gaskets to help prevent leaks and reduce oil consumption. Benefits and usage: using Gumout High Mileage 5100013 regularly can help restore lost power and acceleration, as well as improve fuel economy and reduce emissions in older vehicles. Usability: whether you drive a high-mileage sedan, SUV, or pickup truck, Gumout High Mileage 5100013 is compatible with all gasoline engines and can be safely used with ethanol-blended fuels. Durability. By treating your engine with Gumout High Mileage 510013, you can extend its lifespan and enjoy smoother performance for miles to come, making it a wise investment for drivers with older vehicles. And finally, at number 5, we have Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner 10003. Last but not least, we have Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner 10003, the trusted solution for maintaining peak engine performance and fuel efficiency. Key features: Lucas 10003's unique blend of additives cleans and lubricates fuel injectors, carburetors, and valve seats, ensuring optimal combustion and engine efficiency. Benefits and usage. Adding Lucas 10003 to your fuel tank regularly can help improve fuel economy, reduce emissions, and prevent engine knocking and hesitation, even in high-mileage vehicles. Usability. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a weekend cruiser, Lucas 10003 is compatible with all gasoline engines and can be used in both 2-stroke and 4-stroke applications. Durability. With its long-lasting formula, Lucas 10003 provides ongoing protection against carbon buildup and fuel system corrosion, ensuring reliable performance and efficiency for the long haul. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 best fuel system cleaners to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to improve performance, fuel economy, or reduce emissions, there's a cleaner on this list that's perfect for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy driving.